I can show you other markets in a minute. I'm just waiting for a specific setup that I'm hoping will come any minute. If I move, I might just miss it. So I want to try my best. It's hard sometimes when I'm talking to catch everything, but I want to try to catch, to demonstrate what it means to wait patiently for a trade and then catch it when it's really obvious. When you do that, you can get the results, because the real difference between traders that succeed and traders that just plow through the learning curve and try to hack their way through the market is that what the traders that really focus and wait for a specific setup are the traders that tend to get a higher batting average. I find too many traders think they're just going to figure everything out by what I call hacking through the jungle. You just hack away, hit your stop, get out, get back in, and all you're going to experience is what I call death by 1,000 cuts. It's a little chip here, a little chip there, a cut over here, a big hit there, make some money back, and eventually it's a very frustrating trading experience because it kills your confidence, you develop bad habits, and at the end of the day, you haven't made any money. And I'm going to show you how to avoid all of that. Okay, we might catch a little bounce trade here. Let's just see in a minute. And then I'll show you another market. This is the euro. Yes, this is the 6E market that I'm demonstrating on. Excellent. Elise is one of our students. She says, luckily now that is part of my history. She has been making some adjustments and getting some amazing progress. She emailed me today and said she's finally hit her 100% trading. She's figured out what she's capable of doing and what she's trying to avoid slipping into her bad habits. And now she's finally making progress and hitting that 90 to 100% mark, which is what you want to achieve with your trading plan. That way you will continue to make profits. So let's see here. It's a pity we're just catching the tail end, and I wanted to catch this bounce, but it's really iffy because I have some contradicting information. As you can see, it's gone red already, and so right now it's too much of a maybe zone, and I'm not going to risk right now jumping into that trade. You know, some nights the move is right there and it's just perfect timing and everything, and some nights you show up late. You know, and that's how it is in the market. By the time you get in the market, sometimes you miss the move. Oh well, guess what? After the move happens, there's a consolidation time. Then something else is going to happen. And if you get impatient and you try to anticipate that next move too soon instead of just waiting patiently, then you're going to lose your money before you even have the chance to grab the next opportunity. And that happens a lot to traders. As you can see, we came right back down because there are some other resistance points that you can't see. So the fractals are going to show you, we give you fractals in a combination with a couple of other things. The fractals are going to work together to show you the resistance, the support and resistance, the high and the low for the price action as it's moving. And it's also going to work in conjunction with some other things that you can't see right now. Sometimes there'll be another resistance line and the price might have broken through a fractal and it will bounce, and then it will come back down to the new support. So sometimes fractals will work with the resistance line and then as opposed to working with each other. Now, as you can see, the new fractals that just came in, they're counting trades, they're showing you the new price action, and they just confirmed that the high was established. The asterisk does come in one bar late. It doesn't come on that bar. It comes in one bar late, which I actually prefer because I remember what I said. I like to trade from bar to bar or inside a big bar. But most of the time, I never get in on the first bar because I want to make sure that it is going to hold. And if I do get in, I want to make sure that from point A to point B, I'm going to reach my desired target before it bounces. And that is how I use the relationship of the fractals. It's a great tool for this, and I can explain it more in the class. As you can see, we've hit the resistance point, which is our green. The turquoise and the green are both resistance fractals. The red fractal and the maroon, which has not come in yet, which is what I'm waiting for, the maroon fractal are both support. When that maroon fractal comes in here, then it will confirm for me that the change in direction is about to take place. It hasn't showed up yet, so I'm not believing this change of direction yet. Can you see the whipsaw? You don't want to get caught in this whipsaw. This could be happening right now. We may get another breakout opportunity, which will then tell me that I have an opportunity to go long. And I think I'm going to stick my neck out and place my order now. And let's see how we do. There, the support fractal just drew. We see the asterisk just came in. I went in on the second bar. We're bouncing off the support fractal. And let's see how long it takes for us to get our basic order. I'm going to move it one down because I want to catch the meat and potatoes of this, seeing as I'm getting on the second bar. And this is a direction change. So when you get a direction change, it takes a little bit for the momentum to come into the market. And as you can see, I'm about to get filled any second now. And I had very little drawdown, if nothing. I had zero drawdown, none whatsoever. And I got the meat and potatoes of this trend.